Hello, this is Mario from Data Mighty, bringing you an Excel tutorial on extracting first and last name from a single cell. So let's say you have a file with a column of full names. This isn't really the best way to have names within the database simply because you want to have flexibility of first name and last name. So if you want to send an informal email, you'll say, "Hey Michael" or "Hey Angela." And in a more professional email, you would say, "Hey, Mr. Skipper. Hey, Mr. Meneses." So you want to have that flexibility. Therefore, databases are best built if you have first name and last name separated. Now, jumping into the formulas themselves, we have one formula for first name and we have one formula for last name. What they do is they search for blanks within the full name. So for example, first name, it will look at the first blank within the full name and return everything to the left of that blank. So let's try it out. I'm going to have these formulas in the description box down below so you can simply copy and paste them into your application. So as you can see, we got Michael for full name. And if we drag this down, we'll continue to get the first name for all of the cells. Now we'll do the same thing for last name. All you're going to do is copy and paste the formula that I have in the description box down below for last names and paste it into your program. So as you can see, as soon as I paste it here, it will bring back the last name. What the formula does is it looks at the last blank space in the full name and it will bring everything to the right of it. So if we drag this down, we'll get all the last names. So for example, Andrew Zapata Garcia. It will look at the last blank space, which is the space between Zapata and Garcia, and it will bring everything to the right of that blank space, which in this case is Garcia. Now it's important to note that these formulas assume that the full names are within column B. If your full name is anywhere else, you're going to want to adjust the formula. So for example, let's say we have a full name within cell F4. You're simply going to want to adjust this formula by changing the reference cell to F4. And we'll do the same thing for first name. Simply change the reference cell to look at F4. Now I'm going to explain how the formulas are built out. For first name, all it does is search for the first blank within the cell and bring back everything to the left of it. We complete that using the left and search function combined. Now for last name, it's pretty complicated. Quite frankly, Excel should have a built-in function that allows you to do this easily, but unfortunately it doesn't. Therefore, this very complex formula has to be used, and realistically, something like this won't be used very often within your work. Therefore, I don't think there's any value in confusing you on how this formula is put together. All I'm going to tell you is what this formula aims to do is it looks at the last blank within a cell and it brings everything to the right of it. Again, these formulas are found in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press like. If you want to watch more videos, check out our YouTube channel or subscribe. On our website, we have tutorials, tests, practices, leader development, and Excel discussions. So we have a bunch of stuff on the website. We have quite a few things on this YouTube channel. All of that's going to be found in the description box down below. Thank you for watching.